Hello everybody, how are you? I am Samuel and this is Samkuk Technology YouTube channel. Before start watching the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this channel. Today we will be continue tutorial 10. And now we will see the topic about Eclipse, build project topic subtitle is building a Java project and the next topic is about Eclipse, debug configuration. These topic subtitle is creating and using a debug configuration. Building a Java project. A project can have 0 or more builders associated with it. A Java project is associated with a Java builder. To see the builders associated with a project, in the Package Explorer view right-click on the project and select Properties. In the left-hand side tree click Builders. It's the Java builder that distinguishes a Java project from other types of projects. By click on the New button you can associate the Ant builder with a Java project. The Java builder is responsible for compiling the Java source code and generating classes. The Java builder is notified of changes to the resources in a workspace and can automatically compile Java code. To disable automatic compilation, deselect the Build Automatically option from the project menu. If automatic compilation is disabled, then you can explicitly build a project by selecting the Build Project menu item on the project menu. The Build Project menu item is disabled if the Build Automatically menu item is selected. The other one is creating and using a debug configuration. An Eclipse debug configuration is similar to a run configuration, but it used to start an application in the debug mode. Because the application is started in the debug mode, the users are prompted to switch to the debug perspective. The debug perspective offers a number of views that are suitable for debugging applications. The debug configuration dialog can be invoked by selecting the debug configurations menu item from the run menu. To create a debug configuration for a Java application, select Java application from the list on the left-hand side and click on the New button. In the dialog box that comes up in the Main tab, specify a name for the debug configuration, the name of a project, the name of a main class. In the Arguments tab, specify 0 or more program arguments, 0 or more virtual machine arguments. To save the run configuration, click on the Apply button, and to launch the application in the debug mode, click on the Debug button. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you are subscribed this channel to get for more detailed information. If you have question, leave it in the comment section. I will respond for that. This is Samkuk Technology channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.